Hello kiddos, welcome back to my one more new video. Today we are going to learn about 10 body parts name in English. So stay with me in this video till the end. We have some exciting surprise for you. So let's begin. This is head. The head is the top part of our body. It has the brain, eyes, nose, mouth and ears. We use our head to think, see, hear, smell and taste. This is eyes. We have two eyes to see the world around us. Eyes help us know colors, shapes and faces. We must take care of our eyes by not watching screen too long. This is ears. Our ears help us hear sounds. They tell us when someone is calling us or when music is playing. Always keep your ears clean and safe from loud noise. This is nose. The nose helps us to smell things. It also helps us to breathe in fresh air. We can smell flowers, food and even rain in our nose. This is mouth. The mouth helps us to speak, eat and smile. We chew food and talk to people using our mouth. Always brush your teeth to keep your mouth clean and healthy. This is hands. We use our hands to write, draw, eat and play. Each hand has 5 fingers that helps us hold and touch things. Hands are very useful in our daily life. This is legs. Our legs helps us stand, walk, run and jump. They give support to our body and take us whenever we want to go. Exercise keeps our legs strong and active. This is feet. We have 2 feet at the bottom of our legs. Each foot has 5 toes. We wear shoes or slippers to protect our feet while walking or running. This is heart. The heart is inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. A healthy heart keeps our body full of energy and life. This is brain. The brain is the control center of our body. It helps us think, learn, remember and make decisions. Our brain works all the time, even when we sleep. Well done kiddos. So today you have learned 10 body parts in English. Remember, take care of your body every day. Eat healthy and stay active. So if you love this video, give a like and subscribe for my channel for more fun learning videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.